What's up? Today's segment is on volcanoes. I'm here at Mount St. Helens, and today the date is 1980. Mount St. Helens volcano is a volcano located on the northwestern side of the United States. It's a composite volcano, meaning it's built up by many layers of hardened lava. Mount St. Helens lava composition is felsic. The water samples taken from Mount St. Helens show it having low viscosity, but the hot tar samples taken show it having high viscosity. Some of the volcano is thick and stiff, while other parts are thin and runny. Mount St. Helens volcano was dormant before it erupted in 1980. 1980 was Mount St. Helens' last eruption, and 2,200 years ago it was considered one of the most active volcanoes in the Cascade history. One of the hazards associated with this volcano was it erupted in 1980. Another is that it erupted while it was considered a dormant volcano. The plate margin beneath North America subducted with another plate, causing a line of volcanoes to rise along the Cascade mountain range. The elevation of this volcano today is 8,366 feet. Wow, that's high. One interesting fact about Mount St. Helens volcano: during the past 40,000 years, Mount St. Helens volcano has erupted more frequently than any other volcano on the Cascade Range. Another interesting fact is that the eruption in 1980 was the most destructive in U.S. history. Alright, that's Mount St. Helens volcano. That's it for today.